Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to tie an unconventional Owambe Gele. You're going to take two big pleats, place at the back of your head and bring forward. The measurement is 50-50 and by now I'm pretty sure you know the length of the gele. So let's just go into the video. So after placing at the back and bringing it forward, you cross. Ensure that your V is properly positioned at the center. Now watch carefully. When you're done crossing, you make pleats on the flap that is comfortable with you. For me, I'm making pleats on the right part of the flap. When you're done, you bend it as you can see. After bending it and continue pleating, then you go ahead to start making fan-like pleats. You're going to do this until you've exhausted the fabric. Now when you're done pleating, if you're with someone, you can tell the person to hold it for you. But if you're making do of this on your mannequin head, use a pin to pin it down. Ensure that it's stable or it's okay before you proceed to the next part. If not, it's going to scatter and spoil your work. Now we proceed to the left flap. You take a pleat, you pin down, then you take it across, like at the back. Just watch. You send it to the back. Then that part you pinned down, you trace it out and take that part across. That's what you're going to use to make your fan-like look on this other flap. So just watch carefully so that you don't get confused. Now after making your fan-like pleats on the left flap, you go ahead to cover the back. You see that part that you use in making the leaf-like look? You're going to take the one under and place on top to roll, then you pin it properly so that it doesn't move. I hope you get what I'm saying. The one that is standing that looks like a leaf, that's what you're going to take the under flap, roll it over and pin properly at the back. Then you close up everything, arrange everything to look neat and nice. Now after covering everything like this, you go ahead to take the one that you created fan on the left hand side, you place it over on whatever you've covered, to make everything like it's inside. Then you go ahead to pin it. So just watch carefully and see how I do it. Now when you're done covering the back properly and ensuring that it looks okay, go ahead to do your finishing process. Ensure that everything is in the right shape. See it, our gele is almost ready. Please guys, if you watched up to this extent and you're yet to subscribe, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. You can rock this to a wedding, to any occasion of your choice. You're going to stand out. It's not every time you tie the regular. You could do something nice, different and beautiful. So guys, this is our finished look. Very beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.